to move to fake your opponent. Scissor, you basically just move your foot around the ball. Pullback is a great move to change the direction you're going in. Pullback, you just put your foot on top of the ball, then pull or push it backwards. Here are some examples of these moves in a real game.